In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot a pending transfer in Robinhood. If your transfer seems stuck, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look, what to expect, and how to move things along safely. Start by opening the Robinhood app and checking the transfer status in your history. Look for the specific deposit or withdrawal, confirm the date and amount, and read any status notes. This helps you verify whether the transfer is still pending, completed, cancelled, or needs attention. If you made more than one request, confirm you're tracking the right one to avoid confusion. Next, make sure your linked bank details are correct. Double check that the bank account you selected is the one you intended to use, that the account is active, and that the account type and name match what your bank has on file. Even small mismatches or an outdated linked account can cause delays, so confirming these details early can save time. Then give it time for standard processing. Most ACH transfers take 1 to 5 business days. Business days don't include weekends or bank holidays, and transfers initiated late in the day may start processing the next business day. It's normal for a transfer to remain in a pending state during this window, and it usually resolves automatically once the funds clear through the banking network. If you need funds available sooner and you're eligible, consider using instant deposit. This feature can make money available for investing faster, subject to limits and availability. Keep in mind that instant deposit speeds up your buying power but doesn't change the underlying bank transfer timeline, and not every account or transfer will qualify. If things still look off, try relinking your bank through Plaid. In the app's banking or linked account section, select the option to relink, choose your bank, and follow the secure Plaid sign-in flow. This helps confirm your connection directly with your bank and reduces errors from manual entry. Make sure you pick the exact account you want to use so deposits pull from the right place. Finally, if the transfer is still pending after you've verified your details and waited the normal processing window, contact Robinhood support. Use the in-app help or support option, select the transfers topic, and include relevant information from your history so they can investigate quickly. They can review your specific transaction and let you know what's needed to complete it. Follow these steps in order, and you'll have a clear path to diagnosing a pending transfer and getting it resolved as quickly as possible.